To demonstrate ProOne's 10W-40 motor oil, first we're going to test a high-end, top-of-the-line, high-mileage motor oil. Look and listen to what happens when only a fingerful of pressure is applied to the torque wrench. The machine stops at only 4,000 pounds per square inch of pressure at point-to-point contact, and we can't get it to work. Now we're going to try another high-end, high-quality 10W-40 weight motor oil, and look what happens when just a fingerful of pressure is applied. At 4,000 pounds per square inch, the machine stops. We still can't get it to work. Now, let's see what happens with the ProOne 10W-40 motor oil with XPL Plus technology. With just a fingerful of pressure as applied before, the machine does not stop. This is 4,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. This is the same point where the other lubricants fail. But watch what happens when we gradually apply more pressure. Now we can take the torque wrench all the way up to the end. We are now at 200,000 pounds per square inch. Taking it a step further, we add water. Only 4% of water in your oil crankcase can cause catastrophic problems. The cup is filled all the way to the top. As you can see, even with the cup full of water, the machine does not stop and is still able to pull at 200,000 pounds per square inch. Taking it yet another step further, we add dirt and fill the cup. Engine oil will get contaminated with dust and dirt, which finds its way into your oil, damaging engine parts. As you can see, even with the cup full of water and dirt, the machine continues to run at over 200,000 pounds per square inch of pressure.